All right, today is tire change day. Let me get these tires and rims off, get the new ones on there. We don't have the wide body kit yet. I got to redo the back trunk. I didn't like it. So that's the plan for today, to get these swapped out before later. All right, looking good. Yes, they stick out because I'm doing the wide body on it, so don't pay no attention to that, but you can see they stick out pretty good. Yeah, 2 inches, and when I do the fenders on it, they'll come out just flush like mine. So, and I think they come out beautiful. Yep. It's gonna look nice with the fenders on. It's gonna be covered up, most of them, so I think it turned out nice. The reason I like those style rims, just makes the car